Hey guys, we're just about to deliver this brand new system for GCI Traytec, manufactured by our production team here in Brisbane at Enerdrive. Check it out, isn't it something else? Wouldn't you love to have this in the back of your Dodge Ram? Complete with a 60 amp e-power battery charger, suitable for running off mains power or generator power. Our Enerdrive inverter, 2000 watts. This is a really cool bit of kit, guys. It runs our transfer feature, our AC transfer feature down here. And one of the key benefits of this unit for this particular build is it allows for a really nice hardwire application. There's a plug under here that's connected directly to these power points, AC outlets. And this inverter also has everything covered in terms of protection. So we've got our RCD there on the end as well, which I think is really important with any inverter system. Now on the panel here you can see our circuit breakers. There's absolutely no need to carry spare parts with this system. We've got you covered there. These are all high quality breakers, and also these switches double as a circuit breaker as well. And there's no shortage of outlets in terms of USBs. You can see here we have our Enerdrive 2.4 amp USBs, and there's 6 there in total. And the ever reliable Enerdrive DC to DC 40 plus. So that's a charger capable of receiving input from your vehicle as well as solar, and it'll charge in excess of 40 amps per hour. Now this brief required 2 Anderson plugs fitted into here. We have our traditional grey Anderson plug suitable for DC loads. Now that's covered by these breakers over here, so it's well protected. You can see there we have a load breaker rated at 50 amps. But additionally, we have the red Anderson plug here. Now in this particular case, that's used as a means to connect solar to the DC to DC. It's still possible to hardwire a fixed solar panel to this DC to DC, so that doesn't have to be used. But in many cases with ute canopies, people are restricted for space for solar on the roof, but they'd still like a means to add additional solar when the time requires it. So you can carry an Enerdrive folding solar panel kit and plug it into there additional to the solar on the roof, and this will receive that quite well, works fantastic. Cymarine battery monitoring, suitable for monitoring not just battery capacity at any time, state of charge remaining, but individual loads. How much power is your fridge using versus how much power is your solar putting in? You can really go to town with how you choose to wire up and program these units to monitor individual loads. And further to that, we can hook up tank senders to this as well. So in this particular case, I'm not sure which way they're going, but it may have a tank pressure sender, or it could have your more traditional sender that cuts into the top of a tank, and it'll work with both types of sender. And in this case, we can see at any point in our trip how much water's left in that water tank. And the cool thing is with that Cymarine monitor is you can connect to that via your phone as well, and see all the same information at your leisure, sitting down in front of the campfire, skiting with your mates who don't have a system this good. And now we all know no system is complete without a great power supply, and in this case we've got you covered. It's well coupled with the BTEC 200 amp battery, and the best news is if you're in a unique situation where you need more energy, more storage power than what one battery can deliver, you can quite safely parallel 2 BTEC 200s together coupled with this system for the ultimate package. Now the construction of this unit is second to none. It's an aluminium frame. The whole chassis of this unit is built reliable to last in Australian conditions, in the toughest of conditions. So Enerdrive and GCI Traytec in this case have got you covered. If you're a manufacturer and you're looking for a premium solution for your system, something reliable, sturdy, that people can really count on, reach out to the team at Enerdrive, and I'm sure we could come up with a system for you. And if you're simply someone who loves traveling this great country and you're looking for the ultimate in DC power solutions, reach out to the team at Enerdrive for a system today. The best way to see everything and anything Enerdrive is to jump on the website www.enerdrive.com.au. There's a whole heap of systems in there, not just individual products, but kits like this as well. And yeah, happy travels, guys. I think this is fantastic, and I can't wait for the owners to take delivery of this great new system. Cheers, guys.